Hello there guys, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we'll be solving another question on order with length and probability and then its related topics. Now in this question it says let x denote the number of cars that pass through a certain point in 1 hour. Suppose x has the following probability distribution. So the random variables 4 to 9 have these probability distributions that have been shown over here. We are then supposed to find the expected number of cars that pass through the point in 1 hour. So how do we go about it? First of all, we know the formula for expected value. So the formula for expected value, as we have already done, is giving us E of x, that is the expected value, is equal to the summation of the product of the random variables and then their respective probabilities from the very first one towards the last one. Alright, so this is the same formula we are employing to solve this question. So we have our expected value here being equal to, we are going to multiply all the random variables by their respective probabilities, and then we do what? We find their summation. So if you don't know what the values are, you can skip back, or let me just go back there so you can look at them. So here they are. You have 4 being 1 over 4, then 5 being 1 over 2, you have 6 being 1 over 4, 7 being 1 over 4, and then 8 being 1 over 1 over 6, and 9 being 1 over 6. So let me just copy them here so we can see them. So we are then going to have that of 4. So random variable 4 has probability of what? 1 over 12. Then we come to plus 5 times that of 5 is also 1 over 12. Then plus that of 6 is 1 over 4. That of 7 is also 1 over 4. And then 8 is 1 over 6. 9 is also 1 over 6. So 8, 1 over 6, and then plus 9 times 1 over 6. So we do our multiplications and then simplify. This here gives us 4 on 12 plus 5 on 12 plus 6 on 4 plus 7 on 4. Then we have plus 8 on 6, then plus 9 on 6. With all these, our LCM can be 12. So we have 12, then 12 into 12 ones. 1 times 4, we have 4 plus 5 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 12, 3 times 6 gives us an 18. Then plus 4 into 12, giving us 3, so plus 21 plus 2 times 8, which gives us 16. Then plus another 2 times 9, which gives us an 18. So we add all of this together as our numerator. Hence we have 82, that is 4 plus 5 plus 18, 21, 16 and 18 gives us 82. So we have 82 all over 12. If you have to to make everything quick, right, you can just punch all of this on the calculator. Okay, so if you punch all of this on the calculator, you're going to get 82 divided by 12, which is 6.833, right? So approximately just 6.8, right? So our expected value for this table over here is what? 6.8. So how did we solve it? We used the formula, right? So the formula for expected value is what we have over here, right? What we have here. So the expected value is just the random variables times their respective probabilities. Then you find the sum. After finding the sum, you just simplify it, and then that is all. Stay tuned for another video still on all that we have learned so far. If this is your first time and then you haven't subscribed, you can choose to subscribe, especially if this channel is being of great help to you, so that anytime I release a video, you'd always be notified and then come and then learn more. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye bye.